In a cave high up of Woodwarding Peaks lived a small, bright red dragon named
Sparkle was the youngest dragon in her family, and she had a big problem. Her sneeze was fiery.
When the big dragon sneezed, it was a polite puff of warm smoke. But when Sparkle sneezed, one day, Sparkle was helping her mother bake lava cakes. Dragons love lava cakes.
Sparkle was carrying a stack of fluffy, dry hay for the nest when suddenly she felt a tickle in her nose.
Chooch. Poof! Oh, Sparkle, you have such a strong magic. We need to practice making it gentle.
Oh, Sparkle, sighed her mother.
Sparkle felt sad. She loved her fire, but she wished she could turn it down, like a stove knob. Try this. Imagine your fire is a tiny, warm candle flame, not a roaring bonfire.
Try this, said her mother.
Close your eyes, breathe deep, and think of something soft. Sparkle closed her eyes. She took a deep breath that smelled like warm rocks and smoke. I did it! From that day on, whenever Sparkle felt a sneeze coming, she learned to control her amazing magic, using a big, hot flame to toast her marshberries. She learned that the most powerful magic is the one you can control with a gentle heart. The end!